a conclusion wrongly. Okay, example, lack of proof, simple error. Usually we'll do this kind of error. Okay, we'll try to listen to the third person words and we'll draw conclusion. Yes, this person is wrong. Okay, my friend was telling this restaurant is not good. Okay, might be our taste was different. Might be on that particular day the cook has not done properly. Okay, so this is called as a wrong conclusion because of your poor knowledge. This is called as eighth bhasa. Okay, very, very important for your exam. So these are the different types of anumana. So next one is upamana. It means comparison. Comparison. So upamana, comparison as a process by which the knowledge gained through comparison. This knowledge cannot be gained without the observation of two similar things together. If I want to say whether A is good or B is good, I should start observing them. Okay, so I should observe them personally, I should observe them emotionally, I should observe them academically, I should observe them mentally. Okay, in all the ways I should compare, then only I can draw a conclusion that A is better than B. Okay, here we are gaining a knowledge through comparison. Okay, so that's simple meaning of this. Upamana is the third source of valid knowledge. Third sources. Example, a child doesn't know the difference between orange and mosambi as the color of this fruit, two fruit is same. Okay, the child doesn't know the difference between orange and mosambi here. Okay, the mother of a child said, bring the fruit which is like orange. Okay, she's trying to compare. So in the fruit bowl, only mosambi is there. But as the child doesn't know the mosambi, she's trying to what connect with the orange. Okay, bring the fruit which is like orange. Okay, so then the child, what easily it will bring. Okay, because the orange and the Musumi color are same. Okay, so in that way also we can learn something. Okay, this is called as upamana. You need to remember the English word here, comparison. Next one is Artapati. This is so simple and very important for your exam. Okay, so Artapati means, okay, by listening a statement, you're filling a full statement. Example, I don't sleep in night. Okay, do you think is it the true statement? So it doesn't mean that if I say I don't sleep in night, it means that I'm sleeping in the afternoon or I'm sleeping in the night, I mean in the evening or in the morning, because body needs sufficient sleep, otherwise I cannot concentrate in any of my work. Okay, so whenever I say this statement, you are drawing a different conclusion. Okay, if I say what I don't have food afternoon, it doesn't mean that I didn't add my food in the morning or I won't have in the evening. Okay, you'll be drawing a conclusion, right? Okay, so madam said today class is not there, it doesn't mean that next day it's not there. Okay, you can see an example here, I don't sleep in night or I don't study in night. Okay, if your friend said I don't study in night, it doesn't mean that she's not studying at all. Might be she's studying in the morning, in the afternoon or in the evening. Okay, we are drawing a conclusion based on the asked information. Okay, this is called as Artapati implication. Okay, so Artapati, the incidence of K, this means postulation assumed to exist, supposition or presumption of a fact. It is a fact, a method of assumption of a unknown to the known fact. What is unknown here? Okay, she's telling that she's not studying in the night. It means that I'm moving with a known fact. Okay, she didn't told that she's studying at the early morning. She didn't told you that, but she told indirectly that she's not studying in the night. It means that she's studying in the morning. Okay, I told you that I don't have dinner at night. Okay, it means that I'm having my dinner at the evening. Okay, without dinner, people cannot survive. People cannot be active. Okay, they're having a different food timing. Okay, so this is the meaning of Arthapati. And Arthapati knowledge arrived by circumstantial implication. Artha means significance. Pati means assumption. Based on the assumption, based on the asked information, you're drawing a conclusion. Okay, so whenever you enter the class, teacher is not there. So what you feel? Might be teacher is absent. You're drawing a conclusion. Okay, so you went to the college today, but college was closed. Nobody was there in the college. What will draw a conclusion? Might be today's holiday. Okay, because of asked information, you're drawing a conclusion. Okay, that's the meaning of Arthapati here. Next one is Anuplabdhi, non-existence. Non-existence. Okay, so this and this look similar, but it's entirely different. Okay, you're getting somebody is telling an asked information. Based on that, you're drawing a conclusion. Here, the information itself is not there. Okay, so you can see here anuplabdhi, non-existence or apprehension. It refers to non-existent, non-recognition, and non-perception. It is literally means non-apprehension. It refers to pramanas of non-perception, which consist of representative knowledge of negative facts. Okay, the old college was empty. Okay, it was closed. Okay, so you, by seeing that negative, you can assume, right? Okay, maybe the college in a lockdown or some strike is going on, maybe some national holidays are there. Okay, for example, still Mumbai is under lockdown. Okay, whenever the tourists visit Mumbai, when everything is closed, okay, he'll directly draw a conclusion. Okay, nobody is giving a hint for him. In a previous case, I gave an hint. Okay, I don't study in night, I gave some hint. Based on that, you draw a conclusion. Here, I'm not telling anything. I'm not telling anything. All Mumbai was closed. Okay, whenever the tourists visit, by seeing that no shops are open, so you draw a conclusion. So maybe still lockdown is going on. Okay, so without any information, by seeing a negative things, you are drawing a conclusions. Okay, so again you went for the mall. Okay, in the mall, the mall is not there today. I mean, nothing is open. So what will draw a conclusion? Okay, maybe the all has mall has declared the holiday. Okay, so some malls every Friday will be having closed because of some reason. Okay, might be for that reason it was closed. Okay, so occasionally you entered for your friend house. Okay, so nobody was there. So what you'll do? What you'll do? An assumption. They didn't say that I'll be not there, or they're not telling I may not there in today. They're not giving any kind of clue for you. Okay, so suddenly you went for your family friend. Okay, but nobody is there. So what kind of conclusion you'll draw? Okay, might be they went for the family trip, or might be they went outside. Okay, you'll start making an assumption based on your previous knowledge. Okay, no clue was given for you. Okay, that is called as anuplabdhi here. You can see a meaning here. A and B went to school. There was no students in class. Okay, might be the college has given a formal notice. Might be the students have not seen the notice, so they just went to the school, but nobody was there in the school. Okay, by seeing that, they draw a conclusion. Might be today's holiday. Okay, so this is called as anuplabdhi. Okay, because of zero information, you are drawing entirely the new conclusion. Clear? So this is called as anuplabdhi. The last one is shabdam. It is also called as verbal testimony. This is other name. Okay, shabda, written, verbal, picture-based evidence. It is also called as apta vikas, statement of trustworthy person, and agama, authentic word. Okay, here I won't believe anything without having a proof. Okay, if I say Mumbai is next to Karnataka, what's the proof? Okay, so I'll be showing a globe or I'll be showing a map, then I'll be proving that. Okay, so what Bangalore and Mysore is next to place, or Pune and Mumbai is very close places. Okay, I'm showing a proof. Okay, if I say Delhi is next to Bangalore, okay, you will say no, ma'am, it is wrong. And if I ask you the proof, on what basis you are telling that I'm telling false? Okay, you may send a screenshot of the globe or the map, or you can search in the Google and you can share with me. Okay, this is called a shabda, where the verbal proof will be there, or the written proof will be there, or the picture-based evidence will be there. Okay, this is the last source of valid knowledge. Okay, this is an ultimate proof. Okay, even in the court of law. Okay, so the judge will believe only this kind of pramanas. I mean the shabda. Okay, there should be a written document to prove that a particular property belongs to you. You cannot say, no, no, this property belongs to me. What's the proof? Show me in a property agreement. Show me the proof that says that this property belongs to you. And verbal. Okay, so that the person who has done crime is telling, no, I have not done any crime. What's the proof? Okay, so the person who has seen that crime, he can go and give the oral evidence, right? So when I was roaming there, so I saw this person was doing murdering, and I've seen in my own eyes. So he's giving a verbal promises here, and picture based. Okay, I have taken a photo when the murder was going on. Okay, I can give that as a proof. So this is the highest way of giving a proof, and this is called as the last or the sixth source of valid knowledge. This is very, very important for your exam. It can be written, oral, or picture based evidence where knowledge is gained. It's a reliable source of information. Why they're telling reliable? Because there's a written statement, you have seen in your own eyes, and there's a proof like pictures or any other kind of proof with you. Whereas in other way, it is just an assumption. Okay, there was nobody in the school, so I'm drawing conclusion that today's holiday. Okay, might be the school has went for some NSS camp or NCC camp. This is not an holiday. This is not an official holiday. Okay, they went for the trip. Okay, might be it is for 1 hour. The whole college has went for cleaning for some the forest area near to their school for just for 1 hour. Okay, you came in that 1 hour and you're deciding and you're drawing a conclusion that school is holiday today. In reality, school is running. Okay, so all these are based on some assumption or some previous knowledge, whereas this shabda, it is an actual proof. Okay, so I hope you have understood all 6 kinds of pramanas. Okay, as per the nyaya, there are 2 categories, valid and invalid, whereas in valid there are 4 types, invalid there are 2 types. But in general, pramanas categorize into 6 sources of valid knowledge. Okay, first one is pratyaksha, that is the first source of knowledge, and shabda is the highest way of getting a knowledge, valid knowledge. Any doubt with this? Anita madam, you are right. Even actually, this I studied 6 months back. You don't believe. I have referred 4 to 5 textbooks. I have seen 7 to 8 videos in YouTube to understand this and to make my student understand in a very simple way. I've struggled a lot. How to remember with an example. Even I do remember with the example only. Okay, so for everything I've given example. So based on the example only you can remember. Otherwise, see, this is not normal language. It's a Sanskrit. It is very difficult to read also. You might have seen when I pronounce some Sanskrit word. So that was not right way of pronouncing that. Even I apologize for that also. So this is not a normal way of communicating, right? So you need to understand, you need to remember through one examples only. Otherwise, it is difficult. Fine. So in Shabda, the last source of valid knowledge, there are 4 important words that you need to remember. Um, Apta Vyakya, it means a statement of trustworthy person. Okay, so my mother, she'll never lies. Okay, whatever the best situation or worst situation, she's very a truth person. Okay, so I believe only her in my life. Okay, she is called as Apta Vyakya. Okay, the trustworthy person is called as Apta Vyakya person. Okay, next one is Apta. Okay, those who always tell the truth. Okay, so for everyone, you'll be having your one best friend where you can share anything and you believe them. Okay, they are called as Apta. Okay, next one is Vyakya, sentence or defined collection of words. Okay, any piece of information, it is called as Vyakya. And word, okay, the message you are getting from one person to other person, it is called as a word. Okay, example, I've already told you. A said to B, Mumbai is next to Mysore. It's a wrong statement. Okay, yeah, so B showed the map and he said it is a wrong. Actually, Mumbai and Mysore is not next to city. Okay, it's entirely I think 2,000 kilometers away. Okay, so when A told to B that Mumbai is next to Mysore, okay, B showing a map and is telling whatever you're telling it is wrong by showing a map as a proof. Fine. So this is about Shabda and it's also called as verbal testimony. Okay, so this is about today's class. Okay, there's one more topic is called as fallacies. Okay, this and syllogism we'll study in the next class. Okay, only 2 topics is left out in your logical reasoning full syllabus. Okay, so fallacies, it's also like what we learned today, pramanas. Okay, so after this, tomorrow we'll study this fallacies plus syllogism. Syllogism is nothing but that Venn diagram kind. Okay, I'll be teaching in two type the Venn diagram. One is formula based, not formula shortcut, and one more is normal Venn diagram. Okay, so we'll study that in next class. Okay, we'll try to test the knowledge now. Fine. So now it's your turn. So I'll take rest now. Fine. The pramana which relies on implication is, what is the other word for implication? Quick. See, again, I'm telling just because you're getting notes, don't sit idle. So please make a short note. In PPT, I'm not given in detail explanation, which is needed for your exam. Only that I'm giving. So when I'm explaining, I'm giving some very good example rather than your PPT example. So you need to write your own example. Okay, so that will make you to understand and keep the point for long term. Okay, can I get the answer now? What is the other word for implication? No, no, no. Which is Oppo A3S7F. Please, in the next class, rename your that mobile name and put your real name. No, no. Please read carefully. Implication. What is the other word for implication? See, this shows you have not written any point and you're just listening for the classes. Implication means Artapati. Option number A is the right answer. Priyadeepa and Rita, very good. Yes, it is Artapati. Okay, it's an English word for Artapati. The word is implication. Okay, move with the second one. The Sanskrit word upamana means. The Sanskrit word upamana means. The Sanskrit word upamana means. Pooja, very good. Swapnil sir, good. Wow, everyone is right. Good, 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 good. Fine. So it is option number B, comparison. Okay, this is a Sanskrit word. This is an English word, comparison. Very good. Next, the ground on which inferences are made. Inferences are made. On what basis the conclusion will be drawn? It's very technical. Let me see who can answer. This is your question paper questions. Wow, very good. Pramod sir, very good. Very good. Wow, very good. It is hetu. Okay, it's a middle term, right? So that decides about your conclusion. Okay, if that middle term conclusion 1 and conclusion 2 is having same word, then only I can draw a conclusion. Okay, so hetu is the right word for this question. Move to the next one. Dash involve direct sense object contact. Direct contact. Quick. It's also very simple. Very good. Don't get confused. Swapnil sir, don't get confused. Vidya, I think you always give right answer. Please don't get confused here. It is perception. Okay, you are directly feeling through your sense organ. Okay, perception nothing but pratyaksha. Okay, so B is the right answer for this. B. Quick. There are dash system of it is off dash system of schools in Orthodox Indian philosophy. How many types are there in Orthodox types of Indian philosophy? This is my second slide. Quick. Very good. No, Swapnil sir, don't get confused. In common, there are 6 types. But as per Orthodox, it is only 4 types. 4 types. Only 4 types. Soumya madam, I am repeating once again. As per in general, pramanas is 6 types. But as per Orthodox, it is only 4 types. Let me go back and show you once. See here. Sorry, this is not this. Okay, so when I'm explaining you, I told you this. So the as per Orthodox, there are 4, and here it is 2. Okay, total 6. Okay, but as per Orthodox, it is only 4. Okay, even when I was explaining this, also I've explained. Yes, this one. It is only 4. Fine, go with the next one. Yes, let me see who can answer this. Which is the first source of valid knowledge? First source. First source of valid knowledge. Quick. It's very easy. Priya madam, very good. Abhi sir, very good. Wow, very good. Very good. Fine. So this is pratyaksha. Okay, go with the next question. Which is the last source of valid knowledge in general? In general, which is the last stage? I'm just asking a question orally. Very good. Shilpa madam, very good. Priya madam, very good. So it is Shabda is the highest source of valid knowledge. Very good. Fine. Go with the next question. According to Nyaya, which is the last source of knowledge? As per the Nyaya, I'm asking you. As per Nyaya. Not general pramanas. As per Nyaya. Fine. Some are getting confused. As per Nyaya, here verbal testimony. Shabda is the right answer. Very good. Perfect. Fine. Yes. Hetu in Anumana refers to. What is Hetu? Quick. Even this is your question paper question. Very good. Very good. Very good. Perfect. Good. So it is middle term. A is the right answer. Very good. Next. Drawing conclusion based on non-existent. A and B went to the school, but school was completely closed. Somebody is telling A should be a proper proof, like oral or written or the map like that. Okay, A is not a right answer. Very good. And except one, everyone is right. Very good. So it is B, Anuplabdhi. Okay, this is called as non-existence, whereas Artapati is called as implication. Okay, where you'll be having an half information. Based on that half information, you're drawing the conclusion. Clear? Next. Laukika and alaukika is related to which type of pramanas? Laukika and alaukika is related to which type of pramanas? Fine. So everyone is right. It is pratyaksha. Very good. Very good. 1 second. I guess there was some wrong answer we have discussed here. There are dash schools in Orthodox Indian. I guess it is, we have choose wrong options. Yes. As per Orthodox, it is 6. Okay, so don't get confused with this type, Nyaya. Okay, as per Nyaya, Pramanas is 4 types. Okay, this is the basic I'm asking. Okay, so as per Indian philosophy, there are 2 types of people, Astika and Nastika. Okay, as per Astika, they are called as Orthodox. As per them, there are 6 types. Okay, for this question, answer is not 4, it is 6. Yes, this is 6 is the right answer. Okay, if they ask about one, there was one more question. Where is that? Fine. So that question is not there. So I'll repeat once again. As per Orthodox, there are 6 types, and as per Nyaya, Pramanas classify into 4 types. Clear? All philosophy, the Orthodox is having 6 philosophy. Okay, 6 type. Whereas as per Nyaya, there are 4 types, and in common, Pramanas is having 6 types. In the exam, they'll specify according to Nyaya, there are dash types of Pramanas. Your answer should be 4. IS is Pratyaksha, and the first is Pratyaksha, last one is Shabda. And in common, Pramanas is having 6 types. The first source of knowledge is Pratyaksha, and the last source of knowledge is called as Shabda. Any doubt? It is one of the difficult topic in your whole NTA syllabus. You can read from any textbook, you won't understand so easily. Fine. Let me know any doubt. Fine. So I'll be sharing this PPT by making small changes. There was some mistakes you might have observed here. What was that? Here. System of school. I made or. So all, see PPT I'm already having, which was prepared last year. Because every year the content should be quality, right? I cannot retain the same PPT. There should be some addition. There should be some, the good quality things should be included. So I'm editing all my old PPTs. So last year the MCQ are given separately. Okay, so this year I'm giving topic wise. Last year I given chapter wise. Okay, so student was getting confused by seeing that 60 or 70 slide. They used to feel exhausted by seeing that 60 or 40 slide per topic. Okay, so for this particular batch, I'm taking with topic wise. So every class I'm teaching 2 or 3 topics. Only those slides I'm giving for you, and only those MCQs I'm picking from your question papers. So I felt this is a good way where you'll be learning MCQ plus your the content. So I'm making a fresh PPT for this. So while typing, I'm making some mistakes. I'm so sorry. But when I'm giving a notes, I make sure that the PPT will be error free and the mistake free. I hope you have understood today's class. Okay, so in our previous WhatsApp messages, it was discussed that so whatever the content we have covered today, okay, so till tomorrow 5 o'clock we'll be having a time to read. Okay, my sincere suggestion: please read during night time or morning time. I'll challenge you. You won't read in the daytime because many are working, many are doing research. Okay, you'll be busy. Okay, either you keep morning or in the midnight. Okay, so you keep for these classes. Okay, whatever you are read, just finish off today itself. Okay, so tomorrow after 5 o'clock, I'll be dropping a question related to today's class. Okay, if you are prepared well, you can give the answer so easily. And if you're not able to answer, it means that you need to revise once again. Clear? So we'll wind up the class today. So tomorrow I'll be having some MCQ for you. You need to prepare and come. And I expect everyone to active in the group. Okay, only one or two will be active. So I want everyone to be active. Okay. See you in the next lecture, dears. Take care.